lucky for us, National Sauvignon Blanc Day is coming up. You're a fan.
I am.
Let's get right to it. Friend of the show, recipe developer, all-around fantastic human being, Ashton Keefe. She's bringing us wine and she's bringing us food.
Girl, the weight of my heart. If there was a cupcake here, I'd say I do.
That's what I'm here for. Oh my gosh, I love being introduced here. It really just heightens my confidence. I love it.
I'm glad you guys could meet.
Yes, absolutely. And National Sauvignon Blanc Day is Friday, May 2nd, so tons of time to get ready, plan a party. And we have 5 wines from 5 different regions, and we're going to talk about how the terroir changes the way the wine tastes, even though it's the exact same grape.
Because it's different based upon the region.
Absolutely. Yeah. Okay, so bread and butter. You guys can take a sip of this. This is a $16 bottle of wine. I love this. I call this
16?
Staycation in a bottle. Bread and butter is all about not overcomplicating. They say don't overthink it. The winemaker Linda is absolutely amazing. And she talks about how good wine is a wine that you like, which I really like when I'm talking about wine with people, because it's all about if you like enjoying, and then I'm pairing this with a pizza.
Oh, God.
Come on.
Yeah. Now we're going up the coast.
Paso Robles.
Paso Robles, and this is in the central coast. So you think desert. You've got these big temperature swings, 50 degrees. So in the morning it's really cold, and the afternoon it's really hot, and so this creates a really complex wine. I love this wine. This is about $19. All of these are screw cap too, which makes them fun.
Look at
Party
this.
favorite, picnic favorite.
That's right. Don't be Judge Judy on the screw cap.
Oh my
You know what I'm saying? Like, don't do that, because it can still be good.
Judge Judy, don't be Judge Judy on the screw cap. So this is a certified sustainable vineyard, and I love this. They take all of the wastewater and they reclaim it. So I'm a big fan of this, especially for California and conserving the environment.
Very different.
Very different. This is you're gonna get like the complexity, stainless steel, so it retains that really clean, crisp feeling, and then crudité with a nice pea dip.
That's very crispy.
Right?
I feel like a nice cool breeze. My hair is blowing through the wind. I'm sitting on the front porch.
Let me get the relaxer. Come on.
And I know Marcel loves that.
The relaxer.
Now,
Don't be putting me out there like that.
We're moving to Italy.
I was thinking more crow activated.
We're getting on a plane and we're going to Italy. This is actually from the Friuli region, so it's along the Adriatic coast.
Oh.
So you've got the Alps above, and then you've got, this is going to be a fun one. It's really salty, because all of that salt air hits the grapes, and when then they crush the grapes, the salinity gets into the wine. And this is like having a taste of Italy, like in your mouth all the time. It's very fun. It's like refreshing, and again, a little salty.
If only you were smart. I mean, then this could really be
right. Wine doesn't have to be like overcomplicated. Again, this is a $16 bottle, really delicious, and I'm pairing this with a Ferrotto. So instead of risotto, Ferrotto.
Is that a fado?
Yeah, doing it the same way, and then some peas in there, mint, and really
It is amazing how white wine can taste
it tastes so different,
drastically
the exact same grade. And now we're moving to New Zealand, which is the mecca of Sauvignon Blanc.
Is it?
We have 2 from Marlborough region, and this is kind of like the grandfather of all Sauvignon Blancs. Obviously, France has been making Sauvignon Blanc as well, but I love New Zealand Sauvignon Blanc. It's grassy, refreshing. This is Nautilus. It's actually one of the oldest and still family-run like wineries in the region. One of the original 80, and now there are 700. Started in 1985, so this is like they're doing the exact same way. This is a $20 bottle. I absolutely love this, and
you've paired it with fish tacos.
Fish tacos.
It is Taco Tuesday.
Taco Tuesday.
Don't be ridiculous.
Yeah.
He's like, where are the forks?
One more. If you guys have made it, if you have made it this far, you are like my wooden leg friends. But we've got Ponga. So this is actually the name the indigenous people gave the silver fern, which kind of lit their way on their moonlight treks.
Ponga?
And I like this one because it kind of harbors back to our original wine. It's all about having fun, and it's festive, and it's bright, and it's really just enjoyable. $16. So I bookend with 2 $16 wines. You can kind of enjoy it at any price point, at any region, and then we do a Thai chicken salad. I like pairing Asian food.
All right, everyone get behind the wine they liked the most.
I know. Yeah, tell me what you guys liked the most.
I think I liked. Go.
No. I'm saying we're on the same page.
Here.
Yeah.
You guys both?
Yeah.
Okay. The San Simeon. I love it.
Don't go away from me.
Thank you, Ashton.
My pleasure.
Follow her if you haven't already. All the information is going to be up on the screen. I promise you. This was fantastic. All the wine pairings. There she is.